I'm going to show you how to make money with CPA marketing and TikTok. Hey guys, my name is Damien Black. Welcome back to my channel here on YouTube. Today is a very special video, so make sure to stick till the very end. I'm going to show you how to make money on TikTok with CPA marketing. This method is 100% risk-free. You don't have to have any money up front to start. It is a very undersaturated method, and I laid this video out into 3 simple steps that you can follow and replicate yourself. Now, before I get started, make sure to check out my CPA marketing free traffic course below this video. If you're serious about CPA marketing and you want to start a profitable business online from your home and make an extra $1,000 every single week, then make sure to hit the first link below this video. It's only $37 and there's a bunch of content inside the course. So guys, let's reveal step number 1. So step number 1 is you need to pick a niche. So for this video, I'm gonna use the travel niche, but you can use the travel, health, workout, or make money online niche. It's completely up to you and what you're interested in. You need to pick a good offer in that specific niche. So step number 1 is to pick an offer. Okay, so I'm gonna use Maxbounty for this example, but you can use CPA Lead, CPA Grip, or whatever CPA network that you are signed up to. So step number 1 is to pick an offer. So I'm gonna click on search. Categories is, let's do sweepstakes, because in the sweepstakes section, there's 100% an offer that's related to the travel niche. So we're looking for a offer that has a giveaway or some kind of a gift card, travel gift card or something like that. So let's look at this, guys. I'm gonna search it by EPC, and right here you can see winfordreams.com, win your dream vacation lottery. So this is an offer. Although it converts on purchase of minimum of $25, this is probably not going to be hard to convert. But since you're a complete beginner, I'm gonna be using a simple email submit. So $1,000 Walgreens gift card, 1,000 Visa gift card. This is a perfect offer for our travel niche, because people that are going to be following us and looking at our content, they are interested in travel. They are interested in traveling, and they would be interested to win a 1,000 Visa gift card for traveling, right? So this is a good offer for our niche. Let's look if there's something else here. So I'm gonna use this one, probably I'm gonna save it. Vouchers Avenue IKEA, no, that's not it. So win a 100 Target gift card, nope. 500 Chase Visa gift card. Win a $1,000 hotels gift card, excuse me. So this is an awesome offer again in our niche. So enter now for a chance to win a 1,000 hotel.com gift card. So we can use either this one or this one. So this has a $320 per lead, this has a $280 per lead, and this has an EPC of $0.32. This has an EPC of 0.28. So overall, this has a better conversion rate, but it doesn't really matter. They both have social traffic types allowed, so you can pick either this one or this one. So I'm gonna run with this one for this video, $1,000 hotel.com gift card. Now, step number 2 is, let's reveal it. Step number one is to pick a niche and pick a good offer. Now, step number 2 is to create a landing page. I'm gonna show you my one, and to create a landing page, you need a website/funnel builder. Now, I personally use ClickFunnels. It is by far the best funnel builder online. It's a bit expensive, $97 per month, but they do have a 14-day free trial. But if you're on a tight budget, you can use Wix, you can use Weebly, or some type of a free funnel website builder. So guys, let's roll over to ClickFunnels, and yeah, this is my free. This is my not free, but this is my landing page that I have used in the past for Xbox or PS4 sweepstakes. So this is a good landing page, very simple, All they have to do is click this one single button. We can preview it in a new window. So this is how it looks whenever somebody goes to this website. Only 129 people have signed up so far. Your chance to win is 8%. Who wants a new PS4 or Xbox? Sign up now. Whenever somebody clicks this button, they're going to be redirected to the Maxbounty offer, PS4 offer. So this is a good landing page. So since we're in the travel niche and we have a travel offer, we're going to make a simple landing page like this one, just in the travel niche. Okay, so you get you see the idea what I'm trying to say here, guys. So yeah, very simple. You can even sometimes copy this landing page. You can preview it down here, and you can use the headline, use the image that's on this landing page, and just add a simple button. Build your tracking link, so social, raw link, and there we have it. This is our link. Okay, now once we build our simple landing page, just edit this button, you know, and set action and paste the affiliate link in there. Save it, and boom, there we have a good landing page. So now, since we have an offer, a landing page, now it's time to promote that offer. We need to get as much eyeballs in front of this offer. So that leads to step number 3. Get as much traffic or website visitors, so-called eyeballs, to your offer as possible. Simply said, the more traffic you get to the offer, the more money you're going to potentially make. Now, there's a couple of ways we can get traffic with Instagram and TikTok. We can either repost videos from Instagram directly to TikTok. So we can use downloadgram.com. Okay, so this is a free downloadgram.com free website that allows you to download Instagram videos. So what you want to do is go to instagram.com, make sure you have an account, go to the search bar up here and search something like travel video, hashtag travel video. So these are the videos that popped up. So for example, this one, simple video, simple beach. You can copy the link, download it, okay, paste it in there, download it on your smartphone, save it to your photo gallery, and you can simply repost this video directly to TikTok like this person is doing. This person is doing the exact same thing that I'm showing you guys, and he's getting thousands of views and he has 68,000 followers. Okay, and he's promoting his Instagram account back. So, but you can do this and promote your offer right there. Okay, this person is promoting his Instagram account, but what I would do, I would simply promote a offer from Maxbounty and add it in the bio right there. So guys, this is option number 1. Pick a travel, pick a niche, all right? Pick a offer, make a landing page, and then go to Instagram, search for hashtag travel video or travel videos or hashtag travel, and simply download a bunch of travel videos that have lots of views and good engagement, and simply repost these types of videos on TikTok. Okay, TikTok is a huge social media platform, and you can simply get thousands of views on your videos even as a complete newbie beginner, even if you repost those videos. But guys, if you do repost these videos, make sure you tag the person, the original content creator, on your TikTok video, so you don't have any copyright issues. Now, this was method number 1. Method number 2 is making videos yourself, but you do need to show your face. So let me show you my example. All right, let me show you guys what I'm doing. Oh, sorry, this is Instagram, Damien Black. So let me show you guys my TikTok video. This is my account. I have 4,000 followers and I show my face. This is better for long term. And although I do show my face, I promote my product, I promote Legendary Marketer. Yeah, so basically I copy bigger creators in my niche. But I'm pretty sure, guys, that you don't want to go with this method, and that's completely okay. And if you're lazy like me, you can simply repost the videos from Instagram and add them to TikTok. Now, method number 3, you can go to pixabay.com, download copyright-free images, edit them together, and add text or a voiceover with background music. Lots of people do this as well. You can go to Pixabay, okay, download 2 to 3 or even more, not pixels, sorry, Pixabay. You can go to pixabay.com, download 5 images, okay, in the travel niche, 5 travel images, edit them together, and add a simple voiceover or add text over that video, and yeah, you have a good high quality video that you can use for TikTok. And I see a bunch of these videos on TikTok as well, simple images put together with text, and they get a bunch of views as well. So there you have it, guys, 3 steps. You can use this exact method and make thousands of dollars every single month. A bunch of people are doing this. I'm doing it myself, but I'm doing it with high ticket offers, but I'm 100% sure that this would work with CPA marketing even better. So guys, once again, if you found value in this video, thank you so much for watching. And once again, guys, if you're serious about making money online with CPA marketing, then make sure to click the first link below this video, and you can easily make an extra $1,000 every single week with CPA marketing free traffic with the methods I'm teaching. Even scroll through the page, you can read everything I added inside the course. I have TikTok marketing, Facebook marketing, Instagram marketing, bunch of value, and also a lot of people have been messaging me as well that they made their first $100. Like this person, Richard, hi bro, I got your course last week and already made $108. Kai, he messaged me, hey Damien, your course is awesome, love the step-by-step content, it's easy to follow, made my first conversion yesterday. And here are a couple of my testimonials, like from Legendary Marketer. I made $1,350 in one single day. This person messaged me, okay man, thank you, my first 1K made on Maxbounty thanks to you. So a bunch of people have been texting me. Here are my testimonials. So guys, I actually do what I teach. I do TikTok, I do YouTube, I do Instagram, I do everything, guys. So guys, make sure to hit the first link in my description to get access to my CPA marketing mastery course. It's only $37. I'm going to be increasing the price probably in a couple of weeks, so make sure you don't miss out on this awesome price. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to click the subscribe button and like this video to support this channel. I'll see you in the next one.